Daughter, it's out of that hen.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that one is 2000. I think it's 2005.
Yeah, it was a 15
It's an old
years old.
one. Yeah.
I give it. So I had this.
Look at those hens.
Only one hen out of the hen.
I gave them 6 months to lay egg. Yeah.
And I think I gave you some enhancements, but it's for cock. But I don't know if it's working.
No, it's not.
But
yeah, I got that powder that you gave me still. I gave that to them. And
still doesn't work. Work on mine. Okay, I got the Carini cock from Nick, so he gave me all his what he had in his.
Is he coming back here now?
Oh, he just got there in Bahamas.
One of our friends is in Bahamas. He have a lot of money.
A rich
and
guy.
All he have is Ganos.
Yeah, he bought a boat house. Boat house. Damn. He wants to move around the island, Bahamas island.
I think his plan is to go fishing and fishing and fishing.
Oh, he's taking scuba diving lessons.
Scuba diving. He wants to enjoy his life.
$500,000 for that boat.
Damn. Oh my God! $500,000 boat?
$500,000. That's a lot of money, man. If I get that in the Philippines.
Anyway, he's a pilot. That's why he buy a bird, expensive bird.
So he
Look at those guys, those look.
Did you buy this one?
No, that's Nick.
So this is Nick, right?
No.
So Bal, this is Nick Lop, right?
This, right?
Yes. Or right now I'm breeding his stuff.
Oh. Oh, you still have his stuff, right?
So trailer guys, look,
So
hihilahin lang yan,
I
yung lilipat.
I put them together, that's his stuff. Actually, all here are Nick's. Yeah.
So, focus natin sa malayo. There you go.
So he wants to have a couple of babies, actually 4 babies for one of race.
Yeah.
He wants me to send them here to Crooked River. Yeah, to Lucas.
Yeah. So this is Bal Ursul. He is a champion of all time. He's a money maker all the time.
Champion without money. You guys, did you ever heard that champion without money? Spend money on food. No.
Connecting after hours, sabi lang ko.
Ala, tuyo ka namin sa akin eh. May pa ang kuya.
So, I'm nice guy to Arvin and Jerson. I'll give him some Gano stuff in here.
Yay! Look at that. Look at how great this man.
So, did you bring anything with you? The box?
Yes. I got it. Let me get the box. San Diego Classic?
San Diego Classic.
Yeah.
Last
San Diego
year.
Classic. Yeah.
They look good to me.
Those are Ganos.
These are Ganos.
$10,000 bird.
Oh, that's my daughter.
Oh, that's your daughter.
That's cock.
Yeah.
They're very feminine cocks. They are very feminine look.
Yeah,
it
they
looks like
look.
hen.
Yeah, huh?
They look
cocks.
sharp.
Yeah.
Look sharp.
$10,000 birds, mga kapakpak. That's $10,000 bird, man.
This is not 10,000, but I'll show you 10,000. It's in that corner.
Yeah, but that's the bloodline.
Bloodline. What's your head, man?
Yeah, out of that.
$10,000 bird.
Yeah. So one out, the other one look.
Let me go there.
Out there, right there.
So I can take some video.
Okay. Eh, nandyan yung kalapating isa.
Yes,
Meron ba? Sige, men, masok.
No. Oh.
I wanna see some bird. Let me hold that.
Yeah. Go.
Come in.
Lagay ko sa box.
And I'll grab that one.
You made this lock, right?
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh shoot! I knew.
Ooh.
he cannot get out. But see, it's everything enclosed in there. But it's kind of hard to chase him. But we'll get him.
We'll get him. Let's go out first. So guys, ayun. So nandito kami sa sa loop ni Bal. So tatry natin kuhanan pa yung iba niya. So yun po yung bahay niya, oh. Guys. May swimming pool po kayo yan. Sa loob. Sayang ah.
He's not gonna get out. There is no chance to get out. See, everything is
ayan yung expensive bird. Ito dyan nasa taas. So ang galing ng pagkakagawa ng loop, oh. Tanya naman guys. Oh. Ha. Galing. So ginastusan to ni ng how much you spend on this loop?
$6,000.
Guys.
I can push
So equivalent sa Philippine money
a while ago I did.
So guys, napunta rito nakawala napunta rin sa yun buti nila may harang. Ayan.
Where you go? Right there.
The problem is
right there.
No, Jason.
Okay guys, update ko kayo mamaya.
Hold on.
Go ahead, Val.
That's the one over here. That's a Ganus. $10,000 bird. This one on the perch.
The one with the yellow band.
Let me
With the
focus.
yellow band.
Let me focus. There you go. There you go.
That's the
There you
mother
go,
of
guys.
this, Bob?
That's a mother one of this.
Oh,
That's
the
the
mother
mother.
of one of these.
Yeah.
That's the mother.
And comes out of Wolverine and Seven Spoon. That one.
Wolverine and seven.
And Seven Spoon.
7 spoon.
And the cock is
the cock-
Wolverine, straight from Wolverine, the cock.
Oh, this.
So that's a Ganus too. The
That's
cock.
a Ganus.
Yeah. This is the Wolverine. Yeah, this is the Wolverine.
So they're both Ganus.
Ganus. But one came out of straight Wolverine. I told Nick they might be relatives.
So guys, there you go. That's a Wolverine, guys.
Parents.
Inbred, huh?
Para, pero guys, pag hinipon nyo sa talagang malalaki.
But Nick,
Talagang
no, well, I don't care.
ganda sila.
Usually, when I inbred them, I don't send them.
So guys,
I-
dito nang galing yung Ganus ko rin.
I inbred them for
Straight
bread,
Pandawan.
for,
Bloodline.
bloodline,
Okay.
pedigree. By Nick, and they might be relatives, probably 2 generations.
So those bird over there,
Behind.
they're both Wolverine
And
What?
Seven Spoon.
and Saturn Spoon.
Cedar spoon.
And they're like $10,000 and $5,000 birds.
So father of that one,
Damn.
he paid for Seven Spoon. He paid 110,000. Seven Spoon. That's the Ganus.
So the father of that one,
How much he pay?
110,000.
110,000. Wow.
He bought it off the that guy from German guy. He won Africa,
Wow.
so he bought it straight from the floor.
yeah.
Was auctioned, but on the floor. And Ganus was there in Africa, South Africa.
Yeah, that's why you always collect money.
So the father
On
of,
the phrase.
Yeah,
the
Yeah,
father
I
of
think
one of
he-
those is 100,000. They bought it $100,000.
I'm positive the hen.
The hen, the
The
father
hen.
of the hen is
The
a
father of the hen.
$100,000 bird.
It's Wolverine. With Wolverine, it's out of that hen, Ganus hen. I don't remember right now. Wolverine and the hen. It's also German.
German.
German. But he paid. I picked that up there last year, straight from Ghana's, and he paid 5,000 for that cock.
Damn.
There you go.
How about those two over there? Who are those two over there?
Those are Nick's 3 and 13.
On the one of race?
Yeah.
I think that's one he telling me about that.
Came from these two?
Yeah.
He texts me that he's fifth place
So these are the brothers
on
of those.
400 miles.
Brothers, one of this is either or they came from the same.
Same one.
Yeah.
So this one are the brothers or sister of those one.
Yeah.
Came from this $10,000 and $5,000.
So this is the origin. That's the origin. Yeah.
And their father and their parents of those two are $100,000 bird.
Wow.
So that's like pesos in the
Hold on.
Philippines.
Remember, when he bought their hand, he bought their cock. He died last year. Yeah, he bought
what?
cock in a hand. He paid 20,000.
And the cock died.
The cock died after 2 years, but he made the money. And
he won, huh?
yeah, in that Victoria Falls,
Yeah.
he won 24,000 first year out of their hen and the cock.
Yeah.
The
So
cock
yun
that
guys.
died.
Saan kayo makakuha ng
And
ganos?
then,
Pag nakapag-uwi na kami niyan,
He
ganos.
bought that cock. It's out of that stuff, you know, their
Yeah.
cock died. So it's pretty much their brothers
Oh.
of their cock. But he paid, Gano said, okay, I'll, sell you this one with 5,000 because
But-
that one died.
On cam, man, I'd rather have your bird. For real. I like your bird, man.
But
On cam, I'd rather have your bird than Gano's.
to be honest,
That's true. To be honest with me, Pakpak, I'd rather have his bird than this. Those are $10,000 bird, but this guy's bird, oh man,
The,
super fast.
yeah, he won the
to be honest, I did good better with my birds than Nick's birds.
That's what I'm saying.
yes. Because he has a bloodline from Germany, Belgium, Van Dyke. That's the bloodline. Because
yeah.
I am the eyewitness for his bird. Because his bird is like
451. It's
they
good bird.
200, 250, 300 miles, old bird, young bird, first place.
San Diego, we didn't do that good, but I sent birds. I sent. Nick had 20 purchase to San Diego, and then San Diego called him and said, "Oh, Nick, when are you gonna send the birds? Because there is no more room. Everything is full."
Oh,
He was late, Nick. And then we don't have room for 20 birds. And can you send some birds? And the father said, "Oh, I have birds." So he had 18. And I said, "Nick, can you make me room for 2? So I sent 2. And the final 330 miles, I did better.
Than his bird.
We were not in the money race,
Yeah.
but I was 49 out of I think 500 birds in the final.
Yeah.
Nick
That's a lot on the pile.
was really low, but I had 2 birds. Sister of
She got
451.
18. Oh man!
You know what is that bird? I give it to Skip.
The sister?
Sister of 451.
Why is it
That's what he told us. He got it for a while, right?
Last week.
Last week?
Oh, the one he get from the post office.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the one he got from the post.
There was his sister to 451 and 2 of Nick's.
Yung 451, mga kapakpak, nakakayarbin na yun.
We want a magnet Skip. We buy, make them to fly.
Kaya guys, meron ako no 451 na yun. So, nababanggit ko sa inyo yan, pero super bird po yun.
That's a super bird.
Hanip po yung ibon na yun.
And then I did better with 2 birds than Nick with 18. But he lost. So I think
So, Bal,
he ended up with 3 birds.
so your bird is directly from Germany. You're the one who imported, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have the pedigree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So his bird is directly
it's Van
from.
Dyke, mother is Van Dyke, and father is Battenburg van Merwe, Belgium.
Belgium.
Father is Belgium, mother is.
And he's a champion
German.
from the German.
Yeah.
So he got a very pure bird. That's
But
solid.
I had 2 birds, and I had one in the final 340 miles. I think it's San Diego. But they send birds with California Classic, release them one time.
Yeah.
So there was 500 birds in the air.
Oh,
So
damn.
one goes to San Diego, one goes to California. I don't know what is that. Probably San Diego too.
Why
But
did they
different
do
lots.
that? Then the bird
To
cannot
check.
get...
No, there's a trick. So they pay, California pay a lot. They call super bird.
Uh-huh.
So I think this guy from Florida won super bird. So out of 500 birds, he had a first place. But San Diego Classic, I think, pay really low when the 340 miles.
Really?
Yeah. And Nick nominated the, so the
18
final was, no, had only 3 birds in the final and only 1 mile.
One yours?
So four birds.
Holy shit, yours did better.
Yeah,
You
mine
only got
came
2
in
birds.
49 and he came in 100 and some, if I'm not wrong. Ganos.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
So that's a sister of, but it's Jets.
Mm-hmm.
It's Jets, but I can show you the breeding.
Right.
Well, let's go over there. Let's see some bird.
So see, that's why I'm saying I rather have his bird than Ganos.
But you know, Jerson, you know, birds are unpredictable. You never know.
Yeah.
You can have $1,000,000 bird, but
How about where did you get that?
one is Nick's.
The white one.
That's
Gary.
Nick. No, that's from a guy. Nick gave it to me. This he used for Pampers. So I put this one both for Pampers for Nick.
Oh, I see.
Just
Yeah.
foster home. Ay, foster home. Just foster parent.
Yeah, to raise them.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's Oklahoma. Some doctor blah blah blah.
Doctor blah blah blah. That's from the bloodline.
To be honest, and then skip after Nick. You know, donate that birds. Nick called.
This is his paradise, pigeon paradise. Look at his lobe.
That's my breeding.
Breeding love.
My that's the darkening system.
Darkening system. So dito siya nagda-darkening.
Everything is automatic. 12 o'clock shuts
It's
down,
shut down.
and it's dark, pitch dark.
Oh, okay. So you close this, right? Put it down.
I push them in about 10 minutes before noon. I feed them inside. I close those doors. But this, and I put the grates right there so they can have the.
So that they will molt right away. Not the darkening.
Is it darkening is for
I force
mold pasture?
Oh.
Okay, so
and become mature. 2-3 months mature than regular.
so
But this year I don't think I can do that because I'm late.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
And they said when are they gonna race? April 25.
April 24.
so guys, molting, darkening ibig sabihin nun ano,
It's
so kailangan madilim para ma-force yung logo ng ibon, mabilis. Bagsak ang balahibo.
April 24. And so the old bird gonna go to 400 miles.
Yeah, if you want to send some even youngsters, they don't care.
400 miles. That's it. I thought they said 500.
Well, let's see. I got a paper.
Yan po yung isang door niya.
We don't have that much.
Door number 6. Door number 5.
These are my hands.
So guys, door number
My
5.
all hands.
All hand. In here.
Those are these are no Ganos, right? These are all yours.
Oh,
They got big hands, right?
And cocks, yeah, cocks are where I got the.
So which one is the father of that 451 here?
it's on the other side.
The other side, and it's the
It's
breeding
on.
section. I do have some Nick's birds in here. I don't think I have cocks because I had same color like Nick, Jets. He got Vira King, I got Jets by the same color. But I do have some
lalaki ng ibon,
Ganos in here.
Lalaki ng ibon. So yung puro hen lang yan. Wow.
No, these are cocks.
Oh, cocks ba?
Cocks, these are late hatches with band.
Oo nga pala,
that
kala
clip
ko
band.
hen eh.
Rest of them I fly them. You can see they have racing bands, some of them.
Right.
And I think I have 15, 17 late hatches. I went probably 30 miles.
Right.
And I know I'm gonna lose some more out of these late hatches because that's what it is.
Ano mo, man? So, see, yung setup niya, man, ang ganda yung mga, kita mo naman, talagang meron yung vent to go out all the air. Ang ganda ng setup.
Yan
It's
naman yung
really nice setup.
ventilation
The
niya.
thing has over here.
Ventilation.
Ventilation right there.
Ventilation,
Got ventilation and
And
everything.
every year I clean underneath there. I have 2 feet, but every year, but because of too much rain, it's still moist.
Right.
Yeah, moist.
And I let it dry out a little bit, and I will clean up.
Okay.
So yeah, these are my cocks.
Those are the cocks. Mga pakpak.
I think I still have 1 or 2 hens in here because they are nesting in there. But it's hard to guess them.
So a while ago when he said about darkening, that's one of his secret weapons to make those young birds go old about faster.
Yeah.
That's his secret weapon. So I just want to tell you guys that you guys can do that because this is on the Philippines anyway. You know,
Mature, make them
to
mature.
make them mature.
Make it
Keep them at least
faster mature.
6 hours of light, and
6 hours of light.
the rest of them. But they have to be careful. If you make them sick, if they get sick, it's hard. Probably, I don't think you can fly that year
Oh, okay.
if they become sick because you have to keep them high protein feed.
Yeah.
Everything when I keep them in dark all the time,
But that's how you make them mature, darkening,
to
make
keep
them.
them in dark.
All right.
Europeans, everybody up in Portland, everybody's doing dark.
Darkening.
Darkening.
Everybody darkening.
So yan mga kapakpak, darkening. It's a good way to make your bird go mature faster.
Yeah.
So, makakapag-dress up siya ng early. So, mabilis siya maglugod.
Let's go see your hand, man.
Okay. Let's go to room number 4.
These are my hands.
Oh wow.
I have more hens than cocks, which I'm happy. Oh, you want to see a Ganus? I got one.
They're laying egg already, man.
Oh yeah.
But without
See, that's Nix with the green. That's
green.
Ganus. And then that splash right there
That's Ganus.
from last year, 451 from 320 miles in money race.
Yeah.
That was the second
right
after
now.
451.
That one?
That splash.
Oh wow. Nice.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that.
And with the green, this is Ganus here. I mean, it's a Nick, but it's out of Ganus.
Yeah. You got red check. Where did you get your red check, man?
So, yun po guys, champion last year din.
From I
Second.
borrow
Second.
a cock.
Second to the 451 we have.
Oh, second. Oh, second. Okay.
Second. That was first, and the splash.
Right there on the corner.
Yeah, that one. So, we have the sister.
Oh, we have the champion.
He had the champion. And this is the second one.
Right here.
See how gaano katindi yun, guys. So, yung first na sa atin, ito
Long
yung
distance, she was
second.
good,
Full sister.
but she did not do good until 320 miles.
Oh, okay. Hey,
Yeah.
but your bird beat it, man.
Yeah.
So this is Ganus?
This is Ganus.
That's a Ganus.
Yeah, she flew good long distance. She was good.
The only thing is bad on this kind is what do you call it? On the hawk, man. When they're like that,
You let them outside.
they get
now?
chased by the hawk.
So,
I lost
some...
one since I let him outside for about a month and a half now.
Oh yeah, you're letting them outside?
Get outside. I just call him inside. I just feed him. I have the cocks. The cocks is still
That
open
one
the
look like
trap.
a cock. It's big.
Yeah. I might have cocks in here. I will see.
See, this one is freaking huge. That one right there.
No, I had some of mine.
That one is big.
Some of mine I have with this is garners here. Small bird.
Huh?
It is small bird.
Ball speedy.
I think that's all I have. Two garners and hands. So that splash. And this one. This is number 31.
Number 31, ha?
Natawag sila muna.
Small bird.
Hey, your 451 is small, but damn, that shit is fat.
Yeah. The best record since I fly birds
Is that one,
in
huh?
7 years. That bird. That bird was.
Well, Val, thank you for 451 that having me those
No,
birds.
I hope we're gonna make good babies. The one on river
Rogue Valley Roundup?
Rogue Valley Roundup, it's out of that or 266.
Yeah, 266.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know that 266?
He's doing pretty good there.
That's the sister, I think.
The one with the yellow band?
With the yellow, yeah. Right there.
That's pretty nice. Damn, that's a look.
Okay.
That looks sharp right there.
Oh, when I show you the
Let's go to breeder.
266, I put on eggs. It's on
Okay.
eggs right now.
Okay.
Man, you got a lot of babies over there.
I got 7 babies. I wanted to toss them in dark, but probably I'm too late.
Yeah. So, mga kapakpak, ito yung breeder, ano niya?
Babies out of this is
Breeder.
266.
Ito yung breeding section niya.
Breeding section niya. Is that 266? There you go.
Oh, now you make them breeder. Oh, I love that bird. Let
And
me
I
focus
think
it.
I'll keep her.
So guys, the daughter of this one, I send it to Ruan Praise, River Valley Roundup.
So far, it's doing okay.
Yeah.
Well, so far it's surviving. Still alive.
It's still alive. The only one bird left there.
There's a lot of breeder right here, man.
I just put them together
Nice baby.
because I didn't have enough babies, but it's too late for this year.
Yeah. Too late.
So I'll keep them.
Well,
yeah.
it's good for another, you know.
Yung babies, man.
Yung ano ko na eh. Ayan na.
I
Ganda.
just put them yesterday on the floor.
Oh.
Okay, the mother of 451. And here's the father. They
the
have
father.
eggs. And I want to keep the eggs. I will send. That's the father.
That's the father of 451.
Laki.
Man, look at that.
It's fat.
Yeah. It's big
So
cat.
what's the...
Guys, parang ano,
What is the line on that one?
ang laki.
Is that Belgium?
Ang laking ibon.
Yeah,
Kita niyo yung kamay naman niya, oh.
Hold on.
So that one is Belgium.
Yeah.
Belgium, yeah. Belgium.
Belgium.
They have eggs. I want to send babies out of this in Michigan.
Yeah.
Friend of mine, he wants a couple of babies. So for here it's too late.
Everybody asking your bird.
But
Well.
mom,
The mommy.
mommy,
The mommy or 451.
So guys, ayun si ano. Focus ko yan, yung si 226. So yan guys,
It's not
ito na yan
up
na pinahiram niya
no.
sa atin one day.
no, because it's in here.
So nagkaroon ako ng 6 baby niyan.
How is this one?
Mahirap pag malaki kulungan eh.
Kita mo naman setup niya, guys. Ang
Linis,
ganda.
linis ng kulungan niya. So ayun ang ano niya, linis ng kulungan. Very clean. Clean loft. Very clean.
That's the mother.
So what is the line on that one?
See, same pace.
Van Dyke. This
Van
is
Dyke, German?
Van Dyke.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I think it's Netherlands.
Netherlands? Van Dyke?
Netherlands. But she came from Czech Republic.
Czech Republic.
So it's Czech Republic, but the line is Van Dyke.
So the 451 is made of Belgium and Van Dyke.
Van Dyke, Belgium and
Van Dyke.
I think it's Netherlands, Holland.
Holland?
Van Dyke.
Holland Van Dyke. Okay. Wow.
That's the super bird that he has. When was that? 2019? Yeah, 2019 when he won first, right?
Yeah. Actually, baby hour of this.
Man, if our birds are not sick, we could have bit caught, man.
We were not that lucky. Oh, wow.
We're not that lucky. We're not that
Yeah.
lucky.
Because our bird are, we have a lot, man. We have a lot, and then that day, he just started puking. And we don't have no choice. but to
Good
say.
thing, me, I didn't send them to the second and the B race. I didn't. That's why I got so many overs.
Is that 266 right there?
It's
Yeah,
a
that
six-
one. That's 266. That's pretty bird.
Yeah, yeah.
That's 266.
Yeah, light blue bar, pretty bird.
The mother of that one is father, very skinny. Father. Oh, that's the mother. Oh, that 266. That's the father.
So your
will
band
see
is
the cock, that's small. Look,
Oh, the cock is small, huh?
very small cock.
Yeah.
Looks like a hen, but it's a cock.
It's like a gun.
You know, guys.
Look.
I like the eyes of this bird. Look at the eyes, but
Yeah, hold on. Oh, take it easy, do it.
Easy. Look at the eyes. Let me focus.
Marble, they call marble.
Marble. There you go.
That's father of 266, and I have another one survive. Sister of 266. Comes out of this cock. But it's so small.
Yeah.
But it's doing, I think this is German.
Wow, that's a nice ring. Band.
With the chip in Europe.
Yeah, still original,
All you
huh?
need to put is just
Still original.
it's like
Yeah,
it's like the chip over there, huh?
yeah, they stick the chip in here.
Oh,
Actually, it's Netherlands.
it's still Netherlands band. Still original.
Yeah.
NL Netherlands. All right.
Well, when you order special rings, you can order this with the chip. In Europe, all the bands are like this. If you want a chip like this, and then you eliminate the racing chip.
Okay.
So did you put back the 451 mother and father together this year? No?
They will be forever together. Yeah, this is a hen. That's the mother of 266.
Yeah. That's the hen?
Hen.
Wow.
This is a friend of mine.
Look like they're just the same size, huh?
Yeah.
With the-
Yeah, they have a nice,
He
nice
passed
body
away,
build.
Philip. It's Philaloft.
Body shape. Still original the band, huh? From Netherlands.
Wow, nice.
This hen flew and did very good to, I think, in Florida, to a race in Florida. And Philip called me and said, well, there is an auction in Florida. Can you bid on that hen, 40007? So, yeah, okay, why not? An eye pigeon.
You pitch in?
Yeah, so eye pigeon.
Eye pigeon, yeah.
And I bought this with $75.
So guys, this is
So
our
are
race
those
coming
mixed
soon.
bird?
Coming on
Yeah.
April.
So what are we flying?
So we got
Are we gonna fly old birds and
425
yearlings?
miles.
Yearlings.
And old birds?
Yeah. You
So
can
guys, look.
toss in there if you are
100 miles.
if you want to fly, if you
look
have
guys,
young
medyo
birds,
mabigat
if you
na
want
labanan
to
to.
toss them in there,
Yeah.
it's
So 100,
legal.
150,
For
200,
2021,
250, 300,
Yeah.
150,
You
350.
can fly
So
with
kailangan
these bands.
ibon mo dito super tibay.
221.
But they'll be yearling. Yeah.
Ayan.
Girlings, yeah. But they let you fly.
So guys, look at the expenses
But we'll
here.
see.
So that's the budget. Fuel cost 2,000.
Yeah.
24,000. Oh, 2,400. So total of
So
fuel
that
holders.
divide
So yan po,
by
guys.
10. I think there will be
It's
about
only 10
600.
flyers?
10 flyers.
What, Gary gonna fly?
No, Gary sold his property.
What?
He's gonna go
Move.
close to you guys in Medford.
Really?
I know where is that, McAndrew.
I don't know if we'll make it.
I saw the house.
So what is he gonna do on his bird?
He's gonna buy a property and build a loft out there. But he sold here.
He sold his.
Yeah.
Okay.
He got a big property right here. How many acres is that he got?
40, I think.
40 acres.
Yeah.
So that worth $1 million again. Huh?
So
Hey,
he
man.
wants to move close to you guys in Medford. You have
There you
a
go. Hey Gary,
challenge
what's
out
up?
there.
40 acres?
40 acres he bought.
How much did he buy and sold it? 2 million?
I don't think so. No.
Oh, maybe $1 million, something like that.
No, ain't gonna be up million. I think it's gonna be
No.
more than that. It's gonna be $1 million.
I don't think. No, it's a bare land, trees.
Yeah. He got a
yes,
small pond over there.
small pond.
Mm-hmm.
But the problem was good for him. He was because he had a lot of renters,
Yeah.
trailers,
Yeah.
and some.
Because his wife is
manufacturer.
a realtor.
They're realtor.
But he once was too much for him. 40 acres. He said, "Well, no, it's too much." One of the days. So he wants to buy 5 acres. He said,
Half acre is fine to me.
Yeah.
I don't know
It's
where
hard to
in Medford, but he wants Medford around his daughter.
Yeah.
Lives in Medford. Yeah. So what you are busy right now for Philippines?
We're planning, me and him, to send the bird in the Philippines because I don't know when. It's gonna be not right now. We're just flying.
There is one loft race in Philippines.
Yes, they have there.
They got one loaf race.
They have one of race there.
How much is to send the birds out there?
It's better here, man. It's
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's better here. It's cheap over there.
It's cheap over there.
If you
But it's
wanna-
big money there. You know.
Money over there, but
If you live there, that was nice.
How much is, for example, transportation? Fly.
I don't think it's that much.
Transportation, maybe $300.
If you send,
The whole race.
how much it's a perch? For example, and how much it's activation in Philippines?
Uh,
I don't know. I don't
they
know.
they do. I heard they do 5,000 peso. That's only $100 here.
To activate
Activate.
every bird.
Yeah, it's all race on the race.
okay.
I think 3,000 pesos. That's only like
If you
$70 here. But
Understand the way they do it.
yeah, but they have a lot of players. You know.
Well, see,
Mm-hmm.
if you send some, if you tell me from earlier, we can make a team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the
Why
bird.
don't we
Yeah.
just send some here? I rather send. I don't understand the way they do it over there.
Yeah.
Because I never play over there. You did.
I did.
Yeah, I never
From
play
here
over there.
or from Philippines?
In the Philippines. Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you play over there, but me, I don't understand the way they do it.
Uh-huh.
I know a lot of Americans in Thailand. It's a big race.
Taiwan.
Taiwan,
Taiwan.
even Thailand, and in Romania. In Romania, Thailand, these guys just moved to Romania because of the people.
I think you can wonder the
I used to buy a breeder
They-
like this.
the one I saw in Facebook. At least you won like $15,000. But that was in the Philippines. That's almost $1 million.
If you
That's
make
big.
a team, and we can send just curious to have, you can follow them on the computer. I don't see Philippines.
Yeah, they have a website in Facebook.
Oh yeah?
But
Yeah, one of them. Hey guys, nakauwi na kami.
So, mga kapakpak, tingnan mo, nabili namin. 500 lang. Pero dollars yan, ha? Pero
25,000 na sa atin eh. 24,000.
Pero para sigurado,
Kinayasan na.
kinayasan na. Kasi mahal-mahal din eh, 500 din. 20 mil din yun, guys. So, gaano siya?
Aha.
Worth $10,000 to, guys.
Aha, dalawa.
What?
Isa kami. Dito muna siya sa kanyang loft. New loft. Hehehe. Oh, magandang ibon, oh. God. Good bird. Ganda nung isa na yun, ah. Sa puti.
Ha? Ay, yung ano, galing kay Mike.
Galing ko Mike na.
Ito, anak ng, ano mo, men? Ng
Uy, nabaling pa. Ay, pakpak na sagasahan, guys. Ayun, oh.
Ganda niya.
Ayun, nabalda.
Ang maganda dyan, alam mo, ito. Ay, hindi. Ganap na pala yan yung isa. Ito. Yan, men. Ako ng blue sing mo yan.
Ah, si Blue. Si Blue yan.
Ha? Ako ng blue sing mo yan, men.
Aha.
May season siya. Oh, ang ano, one low price namin.
Yan, guys. Isa dyan sa one low price.
Kasi yan sa one low
Mag-trade
price.
lang tayo. Atid natin yan.
Yan ang matinding kalapate. Oreo, yung puti, saka yung anak ni Blue.
Oreo.
Oreo.
Okay guys, nakauwi kami. Ito, may bago na kaming ibon, dalawa, Janus. Solid na ibon yun. So hopefully, mga anak nun makadali tayo one of race.
Kapuni Blue to, man.
Aha. Ganda, kita nyo naman.
Kapuni Blue yan.
Ibon, no?
Kapuni Blue yan, pare ko. Ay,
Nangingitlog guys. Nangingitlog, naiipit.
meron na siyang isa dun eh.
Aha.
Yung pinares ko siya dun kay Karini. Yung
Karini.
Blue ba, yung checker na natin.
Lumachi.
Lumaki.
Lumaki. Tara. Okay, sa bahay naman ako. Update ko kayo guys. Oh, meron pa. Patay isa. Ano kayo? Dalawa sila. So, ayun guys, oh.
Look, yun yung isang 500.
Naman guys. Naman. Ang ibon.
Ganda niya, no?
Janus.
Titing-tingin mo. Nanalo sa one low price to, guys.
I think nanalo yata ito ng ano 5,000 din. Sayang yun ba? 5,000. Ano rin yun. Okay, go! So guys, medyo hinapon po tayo. Mabilis dumilim dito sa atin yan. Dahil ano pa lang bago mag 5 o 4:30 madilim na kagad. So guys, shoutout ko lang yung ilang tao natin, yung mga kaibigan natin, si JR John Doc, JR Love TV, o yung po yung channel niya, JR Love TV, Levi's Kapang, Levi's Gonzales, yung misis niya na si Amy Gonzales, at Mark Antonio Martinez, yung One Piece Man, at si Pigeon Rider. So yun lang po guys. So please like and share na lang po, and subscribe kung nagustuhan niyo yung video natin. Balaton nyo na sa akin ng inyong subscribe. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, and then God bless po. Ingat po tayo lahat. So sige po, maraming salamat sa inyo. Bye bye.